The Directorate of Economics and Statistics, Government of Tripura organized the observance of the 20th Statistics Day at the Pragya Bhavan on Monday.
And statistics.
Professor
I request the dignitaries to kindly offer floral tribute.
Ratan Biswas, Director of Census, Government of India; Devananda Ryang, Director of the Directorate of Economics and Statistics; S. Dev Roy, Joint Director of the Directorate of Economics and Statistics, among others, were present at the event.
Self-enumeration and other census activities which is being carried out across the country. Already been told, census, everybody know the census. Every 10 years, census being carried out in the country. And importance of census we know. For what purpose census is being conducted in the country. After a gap of 15 years, census of our country already started. That is called 202 census 2027. It has been segregated phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 activities already started in various parts of the country. So far, I am looking after the state of Tripura. I am the Chief Principal Census Officer of Tripura on behalf of the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. Tripura census phase 1 will be conducted already date notified. Statistics department they are the nodal department to coordinate with us. We are always in touch with the statistics, economics and statistics department. Tripura census phase 1 will be conducted in the month of August. From 1st August to 30th August, that is the house-to-house enumeration, house listing activities will be conducted. This is the first time in the country the self-enumeration scope been inducted for the census 2027. People, citizen of the state, anybody in the state, anyone can do their self-enumeration by their own device. Detailed discussion, PPT will be done by my Shubhajit Devrai, he is the Assistant Director of Eastern Tripura. He will give you the detail. So my request, since all the government department representatives are there, my dear students are there, date already notified from the 17th July to 31st July. That is the self-enumeration date notified by the Government of Tripura. We are from across the state, all the DMs, DM or the Principal Census Officer, from in case of Agartala Municipal Corporation, Municipal Commissioner is the Principal Census Officer for the Agartala Municipal Corporation area. We are on the ground, training activities are going on, we are on full pace actually.
Professor
I request the dignitaries to kindly offer floral tribute.
Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.